What's up guys, welcome to another Scratch tutorial. Today I will be starting a new series on how to make a wall dash game in Scratch. In this series we are going to be looking at how to make a wall dash game, which is a player that can go from wall to wall, and we have to dodge these spikes that can kill us. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's create a new project. We're going to call this project Wall Dash. And we're going to delete the Scratch Cat and we're going to create a new sprite. You can make this sprite, the costume, anything you want. I'm just going to do a square, for example. We're going to call this sprite player. We're going to make another sprite, and it's going to be called wall 1. And I'm going to make a black wall like this. So let's duplicate this, and this will be wall 2. In wall 1, we're going to say we want wall 1 to be over here. So we're going to say when the green flag is clicked, go to x negative 273, y 0. And we're going to drag this into wall 2. But instead, we're going to change this to 273. So it will position the walls. And go into our player sprite, and we're going to say when the green flag is clicked, we're going to go to this position. So go to x negative 152, y 0. So what we want is the player to say if it's touching the wall, we want it to move down. And if the key space is pressed, we want to switch walls to like jump to this wall. And if the key space is pressed over here, we want to drop to this wall. So we're going to go to control and drag in a forever loop. We're going to say forever if we are touching wall 1, or if we are touching wall 2, we're going to go to motion and we're going to change y by -3. Next, we're going to get an if statement, and this if statement will allow us to switch walls. So if key space is pressed and you're touching wall 1, we want to glide 1 second to, let's say, over here. So we're going to glide 1 second to x 152, y, and y is going to be y position, but we're going to add 50. So if we can see, we can go wall to wall. But as you can see, it won't work on this wall because it only says touching wall 1. So what we need to do is duplicate this, and instead we're going to change this to wall 2, but instead we're going to change this to negative 152. So if you run it now, we can switch wall to wall. So that is how you make a simple wall dash game in Scratch. And this series is not done. We are going to continue it by adding some spikes. So I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next Scratch tutorial. Peace out.